When you're in kvCORE, we're going to come over here to Web and IDX and right over to Content. From there, you're going to see Testimonials. So you can sync your Zillow, but I would manually add them and then put that little star there to give it that 5 stars. So all you have to do is go to Add Testimonial, copy and paste, just go right down the line, copy as many as you want. You can add your Zillow, just it'll ask for your email or the screen name. What that'll do is on your home page, it's going to have a carousel. Those are only the ones that are manually added, but also that will pull over under your agent. You have testimonials. So you can see these are the manual ones. And over here is if you sync your Zillow. So you can see, and then it leads them back over to Zillow. So I like to manually add them. For a team, you can inherit. I believe that is the default. So as each of your team members manually add theirs, it will show up on your homepage carousel, all of the testimonials from all of your team members. So that way a little bit of everybody will be on there. Hopefully that helps.